Tuesday, week 2. Are you ready to warm up? Have you had a good breakfast? Have you had a good sleep? Did you rest well? Did you hydrate while you sleep? Did you drink lots of fluids? I hope you did. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to run on the spot. But this time, we're going to put our hands behind our bottom, and when we run, we're running and we're going to touch our hands with our heels, okay? You ready? So this is what I need you guys to do. When we're running, this is how we're going to run today. Ready? Set our timer and go. 40 seconds, 20 seconds left. Keep going. And back where I started. 3 more seconds. Super. Amazing. You guys are the best. Okay. Not too close because then my head is out of the focus. Great. In this 20 seconds, I'm going to tell you about the second exercise. We are going to do slow motion burpees. So, I'm going to stand back again to show you. Feet together. We're going to put our hands on the floor, and then we're going to put our legs behind. So this is what we're going to do. And then bring it back here, and back up. And again down. Bring it together, and up. Okay? Ready? 40, 20. And go. And up. And down. Make sure your hands are in the same line with your shoulders. And keep your feet together. And up. And up. And up. We're going to go in the middle. Screen. Up. Five more seconds. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Super. We're halfway there, 2 more. Next one, we are going to do, let me catch my breath a little. Great. We're going to do push-ups, but we're going to have our knees down. So we're going to get down on our knees and hands up. You guys can't see me. Move back. Knees first, arms right in front, legs apart, back. Just going to get down, looking forward. We're not going to touch the floor with our face, but we're going to get close to it. Okay? This is what we're going to do for 40 seconds. Start my timer again. Ready? And go. Make sure your back is straight. You can only do it very slow, that's fine. Go all the way down really close with your chin and chest. Really close to the floor. Doing great, guys. Because we're working our arms now and our chest muscles. One more. Since the first lockdown started back in, was it March or so, I'm sure it was hard for everyone to try to stay active mentally, physically and everything, as it was for me. So this everyday workout exercises that I'm doing it for you guys, I'm also doing it for myself, because I want to be in a better shape. I need to be a bit more, healthy choices, especially now you guys are being at home for so long during the day. Apart from your daily workout or exercise or run and cycle, I still encourage you to go to your local park. It's hard, and the temptation, I know it's really high in terms of, oh, I would like to snack on something, oh, I would like to eat something nice, oh, I don't feel like exercising today, I'm just too tired. But you really need to push yourself, you really need to exercise and make the healthier choices with juices, with energy drinks. No one should be drinking energy drinks if you are 18 and younger. You should not touch those energy drinks. They're not doing good for your body, they're doing more harm for your body. Okay, so the fizzy drinks as well, look at the label, see how much sugar content is in there. Be really careful with what you guys, with the fuel that you put in your body, because imagine your body is like a car. If you put the good fuel in your car, the car will last longer. If you don't put the right stuff in, then your car might break down. It's the same with our bodies. We need to put the right things in our body and at the right time as well. Okay, the last exercise for today is going to be 180 degrees jump. So for the little ones that don't know what 180 jump is, so if I'm facing this way, I will jump and turn and face that way. Okay, so like this, I'm going to jump and turn and face this way. And then I'm going to do the same thing, jump and turn and land back here. So this is what we're going to do for 40 seconds, 40-20 again, okay. I'm going to stand back. And I'm going to start. Jump and turn. Give my balance, jump and turn again. Give my balance, jump and turn again. And again, make sure your feet are in the same line. Use your arms as well. I'm using my arms to help me jump and turn. Appreciate every little effort counts towards your health, your physical health, but also your mental health. So share it with your parents, have them join you as well. It's much better when you do it as a family. Some of you will make mistakes, you all have a laugh. It's a great way of bringing everyone together and have a bit of fun. So I'll see you tomorrow with a new workout. Have a great day. You guys have been amazing.